Okay, this came in the mail today. It was about 4.5 months for this to be made. I ordered it May 2nd, and it just came today, so here's my arcade stick. Okay. This is great packaging, and there it is. Oh man. Oh, what is this? Hold your own. Arcade controllers for a PC, Xbox 360, and PlayStation 3, constructed from wood to give it that authentic arcade feel. Terrific. So, here is the order. I got PS3, Xbox 360, Slim Arcade Custom, with Saimatsu button types, Sanwa JLF square gates joystick, and curved wide button layouts, and a headset jack. So, and also I got custom artwork. So my total came to, with shipping and handling, $344. So let's get this puppy out here, and there it is. My custom artwork that I spent like 3 hours on. Oh. Ah! Check that out, man. Check that out. I am so happy. Like, oh man. Would you take a look at that? That is so cool. Oh man. It's not too loud or anything. You can see the artwork got put through. It feels really cool. So, that is my artwork. I've uploaded it to DeviantArt many times, but I also got banned many times, so I kept having to upload it. I am very happy. And so, here's the USB cable. So you would plug this into the PC, which I'm going to do. And you've got the I/O switch right there. So you can switch between 360 and PS3. I'm not sure which setting is which. I guess this is the start button, I'm not too sure. And we have these two buttons, but you've got home, start, select, somewhere. And so that's kind of it. But this thing is so cool. Check that out. Take the bottom. Can lift that thing up, I guess. Don't know if that's supposed to be nailed down or what. I don't think so. That's fun. Okay, so I'm going to now plug it in and test it out. Street Fighter. And I'm back. So, got the arcade stick all set up. Got it plugged into the back of my computer down here. And so yeah, now I'm just going to play around with it. I already got the controller set up. Let me get this camera set up in a good angle so you can see. Okay, so I've got I'm playing as Vega right now, so I was just gonna test some. So that was just a little combo, and as you can see with the arcade stick, you're able to do things a lot easier. Like if you want to do Vega's Kara throw, then it's a lot easier. You can just like press all three buttons at once. Let me get that lighting out of the way. And so doing Karas will be a lot easier for me now. So as you can see, dang it. It's a lot easier than on the 360, believe me. sneak up on him. This is a lot harder than Ken's car throw. Come on. Oh, yes! Finally got him. So, there's that, and it's a lot easier to do the Ultra because I've got a square gate, so it kind of stops in the corners, and Vega is a charge character, so you just gotta do that quick motion, and then you can get the Ultra off really easily. The thing is, though, you see I only have 3 buttons, and not a 4th one for all 3 punches and all 3 kicks at the same time. And that's because Arcade in the Box wants to go with like an arcade design, so if you find the Street Fighter 4 machine in any arcade, it won't have 4 of each button. It only has 3 buttons. So they're giving you the real arcade experience. So that's kind of it. So now I am able to play Street Fighter 4 a lot more efficiently because I have an arcade stick I waited so dang long for. Thank you for your time.